Okay, I want to get one thing straight. I was watching this video with Alex Hormozi, and he was talking about how people don't have time to cook, that you should be eating like Chipotle or using some Chipotle, order the same burrito every day or eat the same smoked salmon bagel or one of these things. These like efficiency gurus, and I don't even mind the Hormozi guy, he seems like a pretty smart entrepreneur, he's got some good tips. But people like this are crazy. Like, cooking saves you so much time and money if you do it properly, especially when you talk about meal prep. Like, it takes literally 5 minutes to put some sweet potatoes, a couple pounds of chicken, and cook off some brown rice on a Sunday and eat for a week. And you can eat for about $3.50 a meal, okay? 5 pounds of chicken might cost you 20 bucks. Okay, 2 kgs of sweet potatoes might cost you $5. 2 kilograms of brown rice cooked off probably costs you $4. Okay, you divide that over 7, it's like $4 a meal. Okay, not to mention all you're doing is like roasting food off. Okay, so you basically just turn the oven on, put some sweet potatoes, chicken, and put a pot of brown rice on, and then you can go work for 3 hours if you're an efficiency guru or you literally can't afford to give up like 10 minutes on a Sunday. If you're going to be eating the same shit anyway, okay, you might as well just eat something that's healthy, that's clean, that's cheaper. And you can always remember, buy a different hot sauce every single week and have your food taste better. So don't listen to these people that tell you that you should always eat out every meal. You don't have time. You're never going to get rich and become a billionaire if you cook. It's crazy, okay? Cooking saves you money and it saves you a ton of time if you batch it together.